Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this very beautiful and different looking pattern. You can use this pattern in your both jeans sweater, ladies sweater, baby's blanket. You can knit this in your any project. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is only 12 rows repeat pattern and you need to cast on multiples of 8 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 8 plus 2 edge stitch. You're gonna go like 8, 8, 8, 8, 8 and you'll add last 2 edge stitch on both sides, one here and one here, right? Multiples of 8 and plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 18 stitches on my needle, which is 8 plus 8 16 and 2 edge stitch 18. So row 1 right side, knit all stitches. Row 1 right side, knit all stitches. Row 2 wrong side, purl all stitches. Your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and purl all stitches. Row 5 right side, sorry, row 3 right side, your edge stitch, slip and then start the repeat from here. We're gonna twist 4 to the left way, these two and these two. We're gonna from these 4 we're gonna twist this first 2 stitch to the left way. So bring this last 2 stitch here from the back side and knit this 4 1 2 1 2 and then twist 4 to the right way. This from this 4 stitch, twist this 2 to the right way. So bring this 2 here from the front side and knit this 4 1 2 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Twist 4 to the left way and then twist 4 to the right way. Repeat that again. We have one more repeat. Twist 4 to the left way, bring this 2 here from the back side knit this 4 1 2 3 4 and then twist 4 to the right way. From this 4 knit 4 1 2 3 4 and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Sorry. Row 4 wrong side, row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 5 right side. Row 5 right side, knit all stitches. Row 6 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 7 right side, knit all stitches. Row 8 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 9 right side. Row 9 right side, your edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here. This time we're gonna twist 4 from these 4, these 2 and these 2. From these 4 stitch, twist 4 to the right way first. Before we did left way first, and now we're gonna do right way first. Right way first and then left way. So right way, bring this 2 here from the front side. And from these 4 stitch, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and twist 4 to the left way. And from these 4, knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the repeat. Twist 4 to the right way and twist 4 to the left way. Again, twist 4 to the right way, from these 4 stitch, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and twist 4 to the left way. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 10, for row 10 purl all stitches. Row 11, knit all stitches. Row 12, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat this 12 rows, row 1 to row 12, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.